Discipline lasts when trust is present. If discipline feels exhausting, the issue isn't willpower, it's self-trust. Many people try to build discipline through pressure, rules, strict schedules, harsh self-talk. Sometimes it works briefly, but over time discipline without trust collapses. In the inner ledger, discipline is not force. It is cooperation with yourself. Self-trust is the foundation. When you trust yourself, discipline feels supportive. When you don't, discipline feels like punishment. This is why broken promises matter. Each time you commit and don't return, a small withdrawal is made from the ledger, not because you failed, but because reliability was interrupted. Self trust is rebuilt the same way it's lost, through evident small promises, kept consistently. This is why discipline improves when commitments become smaller. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop overpromising. You start returning. Trust removes resistance. Instead of asking, "Will I do this?" you know the answer. This reduces mental friction. Over time, discipline becomes identity based. You don't rely on motivation, you rely on your word, and your word becomes calm. If discipline feels heavy right now, don't tighten the rules. Loosen them, choose one commitment so small you can keep it even on hard days. Return to it tomorrow. That return is trust, and trust is what sustains discipline. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.